Hi guys, welcome to Miss Disney Reviews. Today I'm going to review 4 eggs for you from the Kinder Surprise Eggs collection. 2 are from Winnie the Pooh and the other 2 are from Disney Princess for girls. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to first start with this pink one from Disney Princess. So I wonder which princess I'm gonna get today. And here's the surprise. Okay, so here's a little flyer. So this is what I got today. It's a pink bracelet. You just click the 2 parts together and here it is. Now you can also attach the other ends like this. And it's a really cute pink bracelet for your hand. Here's the second surprise from Disney Princess. I wonder what I got. So it's from The Little Mermaid. Check out this beautiful poster of Ariel. These are all the ones that you can get. And we have Ariel. So let's put it together. So you will just attach the 2 parts together and then put her on this beautiful blue stand. And here you have the lovely princess. Check out her beautiful hair. It looks like she's underwater. And she's sparkling here. Third surprise is from Winnie the Pooh. I really hope I get a character. Let's see who we have. These are all the characters that you can get and they are painted by hand. And today I have Eeyore. The really cute character from Winnie the Pooh. Always this funny expression on his face. Here's the final act from Winnie the Pooh. And we have Tigger, such a cute character. He's feeling really cold. He's wearing a nice blue hat and a scarf to match. And there's the long tail. It's pretty cute, I think. So guys, these are the 4 cute surprises that I got from Kinder Eggs today. 2 from Winnie the Pooh, Tigger and Eeyore, and also one from The Little Mermaid Ariel, and a really cute pink bracelet. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Miss Disney Reviews. Thank you.